Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Caspa itself. Shout out to the Caspa community because you guys deserve, what has happened over the last, few hours. Of course, the broader market is going up. If you watch my, XRP update a few hours ago, I obviously mentioned, what's really happening. But, we're going to be solely talking about what's happening with Caspa's price right now because it's seeing quite a bit of strength, with this specific move, which of course is interesting to see. And the price was able to do one specific thing that is quite bullish. And if you follow my channel on a regular basis, that's the level that we speak about. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Looking at Caspa right now, it's up 17.5% on the daily time frame. It was up much more than that, but we're seeing a little bit of a retracement since morning. But the price of Caspa is currently sitting at 13.7 cents, also up 15% in Bitcoin comparative. Now, if you're looking at the market valuation, about $3.5 billion with the 24-hour trading volume up quite a bit at 150.8 million. So, what's really happening with the price? Like I said, we'll get into it. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's give the dominance a refresh live. So, dominance actually spiked up to the likes of the 58.75%, but we have seen the dominance pulling down since, the morning, which is a good sign. And, we're below the 58.6%, resistance, which of course I don't really want to see the dominance above that. It's not a good sign for altcoins, but you have seen the dominance pulling down while Bitcoin has had a major day today here. Let's take a look at, the Bitcoin price. We are about 7 days away from Donald Trump coming into the office and Gary Gensler almost being removed as well in the next few days to come. So, a lot of highly anticipated events taking place, but you are seeing, Bitcoin making a major move, made its way up to $97,300 this morning. So, if we're able to see that daily candle close above the $96,000 for Bitcoin, I do expect more upside in the upcoming days ahead of us. So that's that, This kind of explains why you are seeing, the broader market picking up traction. But let's take a closer look at Caspa and really understand what we're looking at right now with its price. So as you can see right now, yes, we're still far below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but we were able to reclaim back above this key resistance at that 13.5 cents mark. In the next few hours, the reason why it's so important is because you could actually see Caspa's price closing above the daily candle, above this key resistance, which will be quite bullish in my opinion. And now you're starting to realize, hey, you know what, Crypto ZX hasn't just been talking about these levels for no reason. These are important levels, but a major move. But what really is triggering this move? Let's forget about the 78.6 for a second. What's really causing this? There's a lot of rumors, speculation surrounding a Binance listing. This is something we've been discussing for almost 14 to 16 months, about, Caspa getting listed on Binance. And I understand the frustration because there's a lot of meme coins that don't really have any fundamental use case, or, that actually have some sort of a lying factor behind, the project itself. It's all like supply and demand. But, people, I understand, why are these meme coins getting listed, but you're not looking at Caspa getting listed. So, again, there's a lot of other things that go into this, which of course we've spoken about, but a lot of rumors recently flying around, people speculating, with the recent tweets from Binance, whether or not Caspa is going to get listed. Obviously, if the listing happens, I think it's going to bring a lot of exposure to CAFs because, number one, liquidity, and number two, all the people that are still sidelined. Obviously, there is Kraken now, but, there's some people that just only focus on certain exchanges, the big boys, such as Kraken is a big exchange, don't get me wrong, but, when Binance comes into the play, it just changes the game. So is Binance really coming? Let me know in the comments down below. I still think, obviously, we need confirmations for that, but a major move for Caspa. Let's take a closer look at Caspa's price on the hourly time frame and really understand what we're looking at right now. So let me shift our focus towards the hourly time frame for you guys. So here we are. Caspa retested below the key support. We actually went down to 10.7 cents mark. We do have some support around this range, obviously dating back to November 8th. So pretty much almost retesting the November lows. But this was a sweet spot to to dollar cost average in Caspa. Reason why I say that is because if you somehow got in around the 10.7 cents, you saw Caspa go up 31% in a matter of just a few days. So, a massive, massive move. And what's really exciting is that, the price of Caspa has gone back above this key resistance for the first time in almost a month. Yes, guys. Let that sink in. In almost a month, the price of Caspa has been able to reclaim back above this key resistance, and we're about to close the daily candle above this range. If this really closes a daily candle today above this key resistance, I really do believe, Caspa could make a major move back to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level quite fast, in my opinion, because here's the move itself. That would be about a 10% move, and I really do believe the 78.6 could be reclaimed quite fast. My confidence rises, of course, due to Bitcoin move, and obviously us getting back above this key resistance. So what's really happening? Is there really indeed insiders that know something that's right now causing the price of Caspa to go the way it is? What's that one? Sorry, I just can't think of it right now, but I was going to say something quite interesting, but I'll say it in our next update when I think about it. But you're looking at a lot of steam right now within itself. I'm happy for the Caspa community, especially the true holders, that accumulated no matter what. And I know the Caspa community is really powerful, but of course, one step at a time. It has a long way to go to, compete with the likes of, Sui, the likes of Solana, Ethereum, but that does not mean, it can't. We need to understand every project starts from ground zero. There's a lot of speculation that happens. There's a lot of FUD, but at the end of the day, obviously, time is a huge factor, but a great move right now. Next few hours, very important if you want to get more of these updates, which of course I try my best to give you guys on a daily basis. Sometimes I miss the daily content update, but I pretty much keep you guys updated on what's happening with Caspa. If you want to see more of these regular updates, guys, do let me know in the comments down below. Smash that like button, and if you watch the video till the absolute end, comment down below Caspa to let me know you've watched this video till the end. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. And you can literally see the price wants to move up right now really badly. And of course, we're coming across, some major resistance around the 14 cents. But, a close around this range is what you want to see happening. So, strength is definitely on its side right now. I do expect some nice, exciting moves. But, pay very close attention to Bitcoin as well. Don't forget to lock your profits in. When you see your profits, lock those in. Simple as that. Don't listen to the trolls online on the internet that say, it's bad to lock in profits. It's never bad to lock in profits. And, I'll continue to remind you guys that. But let me know your personal thoughts down below as to what's really causing this. And do you really think this time around it's going to be different and Caspa is actually indeed going to be listed on Binance? I would love to know your thoughts down below. And if you have not subscribed already, what are you guys waiting for? Come hit that subscribe button. Come join the Crypto ZX army. Love each and every one of you guys. Stay safe out there. We'll see you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.